When a page has been torn from a book at the gutter, reattach it using Norbond liquid adhesive. For this repair, you will need Demco Norbond adhesive, a mending stick, wax paper, and rubber bands. Place the wax paper on both sides of the gutter where you will attach the page. Dip a mending stick into Norbond and apply an even bead of adhesive by rolling it along the edge of the page. Insert the page into the gutter with the top extending above the text block about a ½ inch, and then slide the page into place as you press it into the gutter. This helps to seat it correctly and allows you to align the top exactly. Be sure the wax paper is seated well into the gutter before closing the book and placing the rubber bands around it, and set it aside to dry for 24 hours.